The Galaxy S24 Ultra will include various enhancements, like a better display, better cameras, and slimmer bezels, to mention a few. In addition, the phone will feature a titanium frame rather than the aluminum used in current Ultra phones. The key advantage of titanium is that it is not only a premium material, but it is also much stronger than both aluminum and stainless steel. The negative is that it is heavier than aluminum. So when we heard that Samsung was moving to this material for the S24 Ultra, many people were worried that it would make the phone hefty, perhaps impacting usage over long periods of time. But, strangely, this does not seem to be the case. Indeed, even with a titanium frame, the S24 Ultra will be lighter than the S23 Ultra. That doesn't make sense, but it's coming from Ice Universe, the most prolific Samsung leaker out there. The S24 Ultra will be 1 gram lighter than the S23 Ultra, which is rather surprising considering titanium is both denser and harder than aluminum. It'd be fascinating to understand how they did it. As shown below, Samsung will improve the camera UI of the S24 Ultra and add an extra 5x button. They are doing so because the new 50MP telephoto camera significantly enhances not just the 3x but also the 5x zoom. And it's about time, given the competition already employs a higher megapixel telephoto camera, and Samsung's intermediate zoom, particularly between the 5x and 7x zoom, has been a huge problem. As a result, this novel sensor might ultimately solve the issue. Moving on, we learned a few weeks ago that the S24 Ultra could support 65W of rapid charging. Ice Universe confirmed that the phone will not offer 65W fast charging. It'll still be 45W with a 5000 mAh battery, exactly as the S23 Ultra. The primary reason why Samsung and other major businesses like Apple and Google don't want to publish large charging figures is that it destroys the battery quicker. To overcome the issue, several Chinese enterprises are using twin battery configurations. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.